Hi everyone, I'm Cindy, and today I want to show you some of the other 1996 Random Kelly fashions, accessories that I have in my collection. I've come across in different accessory lots. And first of all, we've got this little green ball. Looks like a beach ball or a play ball. This comes with a 1996 Nursery School Kelly Playset. Item number 67535. Next we have this cute little denim look skirt dress that is part of the 1996 Cute and Cool Kelly and Little Friends fashion pack. Item number 6860091. The dress has a gingham top with red and white gingham checks and little yellow daisy looking flower. Again, it's got the denim look skirt. It's cotton. The back closure is Velcro. It opens all the way up to be placed on the doll. It's got the pink Barbie tag inside. I also have the brush that goes with this set. Pink. That's the bristle mold. It's got a long oval hole in the bottom. And then like a textured oval look to the back. It says China on the back. Next we have this little white jersey cotton onesie with blue stitching around the neck and the sleeves. This belongs to the 1996 Kelly Babysitter of Barbie fashion pack, item number 15870. It has a white snap closure, plastic. There is no tag in this item. Next is one of my favorite accessory sets, play sets for Kelly. This comes with the 1996 Pretty Treasures play set, number 16332. The little pink see and say. The knob that you would pull down on to make it work. It's just part of the mold. It doesn't actually work. And here's the handle and the little feet so that it actually, well, now it doesn't want to cooperate, but it does stand on its own. It's got a hollow back, marked China in the back. And some of the little animals in the sticker on the front. There's a duck, there's a baby, it's not just animals. There's a car, a cat, choo-choo train, a puppy, a house, and I can't really make out the other items. But this is so cute. It's such a cute little toy, little realistic looking toy for Kelly to play with. Then she's got these really cool pink heart-shaped frame glasses. The glass lens are shaped as hearts, and there is no actual lens to them. They're open in the center. They're a little bit oversized on Kelly, but very cute. And then it comes with this little toy dog. His little paw is up in the front. His little mouth is open. He's got a short little tail. His legs in the back are together. Same look on the back. And then lastly, I had a very hard time finding out the identification of this piece. I thought it was from a Kelly set because obviously it has Kelly in the picture, but it's not. It's from the 1996 Barbie Folding Pretty House, item number 16961, that it's very hard if you look online or research to try to find the actual pieces that go with this house But I did find 2 different things that verified that this Kelly framed picture comes with that folding pretty house. Cute little sticker of Kelly is as a portrait. Then a shiny chrome looking bow frame that can stand on its own. See the stand on the back? You can see how it stands on its own. It looks good in little play sets or scenes that you're wanting to do, or little dollhouse that involves Kelly. Those are the last Kelly items that I have, at least that I've been able to identify so far, that come with 1996 Kelly dolls, fashion packs, play sets. Let me know what's your favorite Kelly play set. What's your favorite Kelly item? If you are able to identify your pieces, I'd like to know maybe some others that you know from these different sets that I've shown you. And please like, subscribe, and comment. And I will be bringing you next 1997 Kelly dolls, clothing, and accessories with identification for those. Thanks for watching my video. See you next time.